So I'm coming to you from Toronto, Canada. Omer, your licensed Canadian immigration consultant. If you are looking to immigrate over to Canada under skilled immigration, business immigration, or you're looking to establish yourself on a temporary basis first, for example, study in Canada and then work your way towards permanent residence. Or you could be someone here who is a Canadian citizen or permanent resident and you are looking to sponsor your spouse over to Canada. Or you're a Canadian citizen, you want your parents over to Canada. I can represent you in all of these Canadian immigration applications. To book an appointment, you could go to the link here. We'll have a detailed chat about your personal and professional profile, in which we'll do a complete assessment to see where you stand. And of course, we will let you know how to move forward. Anyways, that's it for now, and I'll be coming back with more updates.